Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would show you how I would bake make a banana bread. I got a request from the family, so I'm going to show you. The ingredients that I have in here, I have less than 1 cup of sugar. The bananas are overly ripe, so the more ripe, the more sweet, the less sugar that you'll use. I have a sifter where I have 1 and a quarter cup of flour. To that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. And I'm also going to add a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm going to sift everything together. Next step is to add 1/3 cup of chopped pecans or any nut that you like. Next, I'm going to mix everything together. And these are my dry ingredients. Here, I'm going to make a well in the bowl. Basically pushing flour mixture to one side and leaving an open space in the middle. We're going to set that aside for now. My wet ingredients will be 3 bananas, make sure you take the strings off of them. Okay, next I'm going to get a fork and I'm going to mash the bananas up. Okay, the bananas are mashed pretty well. Next are 2 large eggs. They don't have to be room temperature. and 1 stick of melted butter. Okay, next, whisk everything together. Okay, your mixture will look something like this. Next, we're going to pour the wet into the dry. And we're going to fold gently until it's mixed. You don't want to do it too much because then it leads to a tough bread. Okay, all mixed. Next is to pour it into a loaf pan that has been pre-greasing. Okay, I'm going to put this into a preheated oven at 350 degrees. And I'm going to set a timer for 55 minutes. Okay, I'll come back and show you the results when it's done. Okay, here is the finished cake bread. It's nice and fluffy, soft to the touch. Well, I want to thank you for watching me make this. If you'd like to see more videos of this type from me, leave a message in the comment section below and I will gladly go ahead and do it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, by all means, please consider doing so. I can do a lot of things such as baking and growing vegetables, but I can't grow my channel without your help. If you have subscribed, go ahead and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.